Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. In today's video, I'm come to make orange juice or orange drink, and this one is natural without adding sugar or syrup. It's natural orange drink, and this one you can use for your business. Wow, it tastes very nice. So let's start. Wash the orange you are going to use. You see I'm washing it. You should wash it nicely. Yeah. After finish washing, you take your chopping board and you divide it into two. The orange I'm using 10. And I'm adding ginger to it. So I'm grating my ginger. And the ginger, I only need 1 tablespoon. Yeah, 1 tablespoon I need. I don't need more because I'm going to give some to my son. And this my orange squeeze machine. I'm going to use it. Yeah, I bought it from Amazon. It's not expensive and it's very easy to use, and you see how it's easy. And if you are using for your business, that will help you a lot. Yeah, it's very easy to make it. And you put your orange on top like this one, and you press it and it starts squeezing it for you. And you know Amazon, they are very fast. If you buy something for them, within it will not take 3 days you get your things you order. So I like them. And you see how it look. You see it's very easy. Yeah, and you don't need energy to do this. It's very easy. So continue squeezing it until you see the thing under is full. Yeah, I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers. God bless you. And if you are new here, you are welcome to my kitchen. This is Mayu Kitchen. You will learn a lot from here. So mine is full, so I'm taking it out. You see it's full. And you add it to your ginger and you continue until your orange is finished. Yeah, so I finished squeezing the orange. I put it off and I take this one. I need to wash it. Mix it together and you take clean bowl, another clean bowl, and you strain it. Yeah, because if you are making this for business, you're supposed to do this. But if you are drinking it at home, you can do it or you can leave it. You can strain it or you can leave it like that. But if you are doing this for business, you should do this one. And it's very good business, and you get some money to help your family, please. And you see we don't want this one, so you throw it away. Yeah, and you transfer it to the thing you are going to use to serve, or you are going to use to serve it. Yeah, we have special container for this one, plastic container, so you can buy that one from Amazon, or you can check online, or you can go market and ask the women. Those people are sell container, glass, this rubber things, plastic thing. You ask them, you can get some from there, and you do this for your business. It's very good. It's very good business for you. You don't need any big machine to do this business. Enjoy, and God bless anyone who is going to use this for your business. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment, and share it for me. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.